Hey friends, watch as mom tries to cheer me up using my favorite treat, the Zen Bites. I thought this was my opportunity, but when I tried to take it, nope, she wants to play games. Yep, hiding my treats like I don't have the strongest nose in the room and practically sniff for a living. But let's see her game. Let's see how she plays. I instantly knew right away. Oh, okay, well, it has to be not. Oh, well, you know what, Mom? You're gonna give me the treat anyways, because you know I'm a good boy. We both know that. And just like clockwork, I got it. If you guys want to play this absolute steal of a game with your moms, you should use the Zen Bites, because let me tell you, I feel much better.